Hi friends, welcome to SARAL Trader end of the day review for the first day of 2023. Let's start with S&P 500. So daily charts, we will see we had a high of today around 3806.75, almost 3607, and then the low of 381514, which is primarily the range that I gave in my last video. If you look at the shorter time frames, this is again this is the 11th trading day that we are in this range of 3870 on the upper lower side and 3900 on the upper side. Let's look at how this whole thing started. We ended our day last week on a very bullish note with this particular candle going up, and then we got a very nice follow through candle as well. We opened up with a gap up, uh, you know, significantly higher, but we gave up all the gains in next 3 hours, and we went actually down to the center of this particular candle, where there was new buying that emerged. This is the hourly chart, and we again tried and made a new high for the day, 3907. And I mean, this was a level I thought I should take out some profit, but I got greedy. I couldn't take out full profits. And again, it came down. We got a right at the open. We again challenged this level, and then again the selling came in. And now again we are in a sideways move. After end of the day, we are heading higher. But if you look at the system, it gave a very good buy signal here and gave a very good follow through, and then a sell signal which gave a very good follow through as well. This whole movement in S&P 500 is now getting frustrated in the sense that we need to break out of this particular zone, and this breakout will be if key levels are 3730. If we close below 3730, a new leg down will start. There are new support levels which are holding here, but 3730 is something that I am holding. And on the upside, we need to close above the pivot level 2. If you see this pivot level 2, I told you in my last videos, you can go in the history, that this is that we may have a retracement to this level. We already challenged pivot level 1 couple of times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have been able to go through, but we have not been able to sustain above. Bulls need to sustain above. If they would have given a close above 3750 or 376070, it might have been a very bullish sign. But nevertheless, bulls are still trying to control and come out of this level. Uh, so we'll share the levels. If you look at the 2 hour time frame, which is the key time frame that I personally trade sometimes. I also use 2 hours on 10 and 1 hour. We got a buy. We had a very good follow through and we got full 2 ATR move, a 1.5 ATR kind of move here, and now we are in a sell signal right now. So that's S&P 500. We can quickly look at our open trades. Apple, as you know, I told you how there was multiple attempts. We broke this 125, 130 support, and after that there was 2 days of retracements. They were trying to trap more bulls, and they actually trapped them. And then we had a breakdown today, a very big breakdown, and this is really bearish now, but you never know. I mean, until we close above pivot level 2, no new trade should be initiated. My position here is partially profit, and then the remaining position that I have is completely hedged. Our recent swing trade, Dominion Energy, selling very well, beaten down, perfect setup. We are chopping around, nice volume follow through. We are moving up. uh, Once we sustainably close above this level, or maybe this level, we might add more, but as of now we are fine. Walmart, Walmart, I think is trying to move away. Let's see how it goes. If it closes above pivot level 2, we'll exit the long position, short position, sorry. SPSX. Uh, as I told you, there is an attempt to go up in a downtrend, which failed today. If now the next, if somebody is holding positions in short, you can keep a stop loss of a close above 105 and continue that short. I have a short position which is fully hedged. I took out 100% profits in one of my options. My position is virtually free now. We will also, I think, one other trade that is there is Neo. Neo is in a crash right now. It's going down. There is some internal bad news about the company, and it's going down. Let's look at FXI, which is the Chinese index and large cap index. Got a nice follow through buying. Today it's going up. I don't have a position in this. Let's see Tesla. Guys, when bear market hits and there is no low is lower, and when the bull market comes, no high is higher, and this is typically what is playing out here. Uh, there were multiple splits in the company, and this was basically to trap the retail gullible investors. Again, complete downtrend. We got a red cat bounce. Technically, it reached the resistance and the pivot level one, and then again major sell off today. And the volumes are pretty high. If you look on the weekly charts, it's very high volumes that are coming here. But personally, I don't look at volume at all. It's completely irrelevant. It's the price that drives the volume, not vice versa. Now, if you see, as I told you, that there will be an attempt to move towards pivot level 1 and possibly 2. But until we close above pivot level 2, we will not even look at longing or going long on this or bottom fishing. A lot of money can be lost in bottom fishing because this is a bear market, guys, and we may turn around from here, but you never know. Gold again. I think the stop is hit. We will exit our position tomorrow. Uh, yeah, it's the stop is taken. So we will exit the long position. BBD, Brazilian Bradesco Bank. I was building a position in it, but there is some political news today. A new government took over, and there is a complete crash. Now this has reached to a level where the maximum loss is possible. I had completely hedged position. I never buy positions now without hedges, and I have no option but to hold it. And I will hold it. I have bought hedges for next 6 months, so I am fine. Sorry, for 3 months. I have hedges for 3 months, so I have enough time. I have reached the maximum loss level also, so we will hold it and we will see how this pans out. And if this again starts moving up, we will buy. Um, let's look at gold and crude. Crude oil today has come down, and on the smaller time frames, it's given a sell signal on 1 hour and also on 2 hour signal. So this is a sell. We'll see how this pans up, and we will take it from there. Um, Gold, silver, and then let's look at Kiwi dollar. So on Kiwi dollar, I have a short position, and I have added to that short position today after this candle is formed. So sorry, we were trying to go up, but the pivot level 2 came below, and there was a resistance that it was facing, and it came down. I have added to a short position here, not long position, and I am expecting it to go further down. 10-year yield. On 10-year yield today, there is a retracement and to pivot level 1, and it's not trading, but the uptrend is intact. We will continue to hold it. Um, so we have covered Walmart. Let's look at Coca-Cola. Yeah, now Coca-Cola, our short position is there. It's coming down on the shorter side, and this candle is formed. So this downfall, this candle came in. It showed a downfall. This candle is coming down now. We have enough time on this, and we expect a breakdown to happen, and we will touch the pivot level 3. That will be the first target on this. KMB KMB gave a move up today, but still, until this closes above, significantly above 139, I will hold my short here. Honeywell, I mean, whenever frustrating move, my short position is here, but it's basically testing patience. If this closes above this particular level, 220, I will exit all my shorts here. Honeywell, and then BBD, Tesla, Meta. We can look at the action in Meta. So Meta gave a counter trend move today, and it's already beaten down big time. It gave a counter trend move, and it's tried to moving up. Guys, it is above the key pivot levels, SARAL pivot levels that we follow. So we'll see how this goes, and if this move stabilizes, we might add a long position here. Wheat, wheat charts. Okay, yeah. So wheat opened, wheat after giving this big move, there is a inside bar that is formed today, kind of a movement. Uh, both sides are trying to take it up or down. They have ended in indecision. Let's see how the price action pans out tomorrow. Uh, we have a long position that I'm still holding. I booked some profits at the peak. I'm just holding the remaining position, half position, to see how this goes. Crude, gold, we covered, Kiwi dollar, wheat. We can just quickly look at some charts like Google. Google again, downtrend, move to the pivot level 1, sold off. No long trades here, guys. So overall, we have covered all the positions. If there are any new stocks that you want me to cover, I can let me know. We only deal in futures and select options and large cap stocks. So, if you want to cover or want a view or suggestion on any of the stocks, do let us know. Some people asked for Bitcoin, so we will look at Bitcoin quickly. Guys, I don't trade Bitcoin. It's a very volatile item, but just in a downtrend, we will not look at it until it starts spreading above pivot level 3. That's the line of control where most of the selling is coming. So let's stabilize our pivot level 3 before we initiate a buy or a sell in this. Either ways, thank you guys, it was pleasure, and keep watching my videos, and you can subscribe to our channel and also press the like button if you like my work. Thank you very much.